What's up, people? It's your boy Triple TV. Thanks you guys for tuning in. Today we're gonna be making some Jamaican chicken foot soup, and yeah, it's been raining for a good while now, and the body needs some local warming up. You know what I mean? So today I decided to make some chicken foot soup and share with you guys. And apparently the pressure cooker was making so much noise, and I didn't realize that. So I apologize for the noise in the beginning of this video. So hope you guys stay tuned and continue to watch this video. Enjoy this video. It's your boy Chip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your boy channel. Bless up on yourself. Thank you guys for every support. Big up on yourself. Bless up. I'll show you my preparation. If you guys can hear me, is a pressure cooker. Yeah, because I have the chicken foot inside, so I pressure the chicken foot in. So it's almost done still, so yeah. What I have here is the sweet potato, cocoa, and yam. And then this one we have the ripe plantain, chocho, corn. And this one we have here is the okra. Whatever I'm using okra in, I always do a lot of okra. I love okra. Yes, the okra give a strong back. And yeah, you have a soup grease, cock soup noodle, and I'm really. Yeah. So I done peel everything already. Peel them off, peel off the skin, then wash it off. And then I put it just in a container until my chicken foot is done. So yeah, now wait for the chicken foot to be done, but we can't leave out the great thing, the flour. Yeah, this is the next thing I'm gonna be adding. So yeah, I can't eat soup without flour. Love me dumpling then. So yeah. Yeah, I wasn't sure if you guys could hear me back there because the pressure cooker was making so much noise, and yeah, I was showing you guys the stuff that I'm gonna be using in my chicken foot soup. So that was you have the cocoa, the yam, the plantain, corn, okra, and the chicken foot, and I have my 2 cup noodle soup, and again chocho. Yeah, so those are the stuff I'm gonna be putting in my chicken foot soup. The Jamaican don't know. I didn't think they were running soup with already. You can add more. Like, a lot of people love different type of things. So, but those are my choice for using my chicken foot soup. So yeah, to warm up the body on some rainy days. Cause it's been raining like from yesterday, and it stopped. The rain again. So it's been raining a lot. So I feel like for some soup, and yeah, and wifey feel like eat some soup too. So yeah, that's why we just decided to do the soup today. Yeah, but I'm not gonna show you guys all the process because I have some other stuff to do and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you here and there and preparation and things that I use in my chicken foot soup. So, and if you guys can hear me, just bear with me. The pot making so much noise, as everybody know, pressure cooker so loud. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. When we're done, big up on yourself, Triple TV. So this is how my flour end up looking. So it's gonna be sitting there until it's time for it to go in the pot, you know what I mean? Yeah. You guys have to be real careful. Yeah. As soon as this go down, I can take off the cover. Looking all ready. So I'm gonna get a spoon to stir it up, and then I test it and see if it's all done. But look, for me, by the looks of it's all done. Yep. So now it's time for me to put my foods in. First I'm gonna pour in this. The reason why I pour in this is because I think these take more time than the other rest. So I'm gonna put in this first. So I'm gonna wait until maybe next 4 minutes to put the rest in. Oh, I'm gonna pour in my Grace cock soup. Yeah, and also some carrot and scallion. I just checked I didn't have any time, so I have to go do without the time. So now I'm gonna pour in these with the okras, and then I'm gonna put in my spinners. Yeah, I'm gonna change up something. I forgot that the okra, they don't take long to cook, so I have to put in the okra just a couple minutes before it gets done. So I'm gonna leave these out and then put in the flour. So I'm not gonna put in the okra now because you don't want the okra to overcook. When it's overcooked, it's gonna all soft out and all that. So you don't want that. So leave the okra for last. You guys can see my spinners. Yeah, the dumplings, call them spinners. Yeah, we Jamaican call them spinners. Maybe some other country call them spinner, but I'm not sure of that. But at Jamaica, alone never hear say spinners. You know what I mean? So yeah. So now I'm gonna give this maybe 10 minutes before I can put the okras in, because I don't want the okra then mashed out and get too soft. So I decided to put them in last. So yeah, I'm gonna cover my pot now. Give it a couple minutes so I can put my okra in. So hey, I hope I learn something, you know. Big up to the service. Time me I cook, my kitchen always look messy. Like always. I plate over there, so I just something. People keep them kitchen tight with me when I cook, but me just throw things this and this up. Cause I know when I'm done, dark clean, spick and span. I see it, so I may do my cleaning now. So by the time I finish cleaning, I know I can put my okra in. So now I'm gonna be pouring my okra. See all that? Strong back, you know? Strong back. Strong back, you got strong back. So yeah. Hot looking strong boy. I hope I have a next baby by the time I'm done drink this soup. So yeah, I eat that. Yeah, so that's how you boil button chicken foot soup. Pay flour for my clothes. Yeah. Yeah, me have some other stuff to do, so I take my get to show you guys the finish of it, but that pretty much it. I mean, only got maybe like a couple minutes, maybe like 4 minutes for it to get done, turn off the heat and everything. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's how I do my chicken pot soup. I know other people do it different ways. Everybody do things different. So thanks you guys for tuning with me. It's your boy Triple and you're watching TripleLL TV. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your boy channel, and tell our next friend, and to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend about the channel. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. I'm out. Peace. We have our next video coming out pretty soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. And make sure you guys turn on the post notification. Hit that bell beside the subscribe, so each time I upload a video, you guys can know that. You know what I mean? So, and next thing, yeah, giveaway coming up pretty soon. Giveaway coming up pretty soon. So yeah, big up on yourself. If you guys are looking for a channel where you want to learn how to cook and prepare meals and stuff like that, go over to West Indian Delight and check out our channel. Nice lady, good personality, and she give fun and talk stories, and you enjoy it. A lot of Caribbean people enjoy themselves, so check out our channel and make sure you tell her that TripleLL TV sent you guys. Big up on yourself. Bless up.